Hey guys, look at this wind. If you, yeah, there they are. And as you hear, this wind is actually quite strong. Like, I'll turn you around. This is stop.
Boom!
What it looks like. Stop that!
What's that on TikTok?
Oh, this is my friend Ollie over here. Okay, you're just silly.
He's silly.
Yeah. Bye. Was this it all? Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.
Yay!
And butthole.